Out a quarter to 6 this morning, and we're starting off with good visibility, dry roadways today. So the threat of black ice is minimal as we've stayed above freezing most of the night, and we haven't had the fog, mist and drizzle from the last few nights. So we're looking fine in Newport. You can see the visibility up through Taunton and Plymouth. Spots that had the freezing fog yesterday, you're fine today. In fact, our threat tracker in the green for today and during the daytime tomorrow. We've got a quiet day ahead today. Still tracking a significant storm though for Christmas Eve night and Christmas Day. Check out the rain and the wind potential with this storm. Could get significant widespread over 2 inches of rain, wind gusts 50 to 65 miles per hour, and there is the risk. I'm concerned about power outage with this storm. It's likely to see some in Christmas morning, and so you'll want to make some preparations for that. This is 11 o'clock Christmas Eve night. Just winds starting to amp up at that point, but the strongest winds very late at night into Christmas morning. This is 7 a.m. and you can see a moderate to high chance of seeing some outages. And ahead of that, National Weather Service issuing this high wind watch. This would likely be upgraded to a warning potentially by the end of the day today or tomorrow. We're still talking about an event nearly 2 days away. Wind speeds right now, they're light, 5 to 10 miles per hour for most, and they'll continue to diminish. The temperatures between 30 and 35 in Smithfield, Providence, and Newport, upper 20s right now in Taunton, and about 31 in Willimantic. We're going to fly through the day today. It's a quiet weather day, mostly sunny skies. We'll start to see some increasing clouds at the end of the day. High temperatures upper 30s to near 40. That's a little cooler than yesterday. We'll drop as low as 30 to 35 early in the night tonight, but the temperatures will make their way back to around 40 to 45 by early tomorrow morning. And we'll push a warm air coming as high pressure slides to the east and this frontal system approaches the area. We're on the warm side of the front for the impacts of this storm, so the temperatures are actually going to be unusually warm. Noontime today, still only about 35 degrees as that high shifts east and our winds turn to more of a south and southeast direction. We'll start to see some increasing high clouds. Coldest part of the night is again early on. Tomorrow morning, lower 40s. Some breaks in the cloud cover early in the day tomorrow. So fine day for out running errands by the evening hours. We're going to start to see some gusts over 30 miles per hour. A couple of light showers in. Temperatures mid to upper 50s Christmas Eve evening and potentially climbing to 60 or higher during the night. So let's talk about the high impact time. This is after midnight. Cold front approaching the area. Very heavy rain, potential for embedded thunderstorms and damaging wind gusts. This is 7 a.m. Christmas morning. Temperatures potentially as high as the lower to middle 60s with the cold front sliding to the east. As it does, that warm air gets pushed out. The winds will shift direction, and the temperatures by the end of the day are back into the 40s. As far as how much rain we're expecting to see, as I mentioned, it's a lot in a little bit of time. Through Friday evening, we're looking at possibly 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. That combined with melting snow is going to be likely leading to some street flooding, some basement flooding, poor drainage flooding. We even have to watch our smaller rivers and streams. And here's a look at the winds Christmas morning. Again, potentially gusting 50 to 65 miles per hour. Some of our computer models even have some slightly higher wind gusts early on Friday morning. So again, with that, we're concerned about power outages. You want to make sure that you've got your generator ready to go if you have one, devices charged up before heading off to bed Thursday night. So very mild Christmas morning, but again turning cooler, and that cold air settles in for Saturday and Sunday. Highs into the lower to middle 30s. Another chance for a few showers late in the day on Monday, and those look like rain showers.